In the last lecture we have seen application of stack. Now we will see one of the prominent application of stack, that is evaluation of expression. For that there is a form called as Polish notations. In that we are going to see prefix notation, postfix notation and infix notation. Prefix means if the operator is in between, if the operators are placed before its operand, like this, plus AB. Here A and B are operand and plus is operator. If operator is placed before its operand, then it is called as prefix notation. And in postfix, operands are written first and then operator is written. Now this operator can be anything, plus, minus, multiplication, any mathematical operator. And A and B can be anything like xy, or it can also be a number 12, 13, like this. But if there are numbers, you have to put comma, otherwise you will be confused between 1, 2 or 12, right? That means you have to write 12, 5 plus, right? That means this is a postfix expression, right? Now infix expression we have already using from our childhood. Whenever we have to write addition of two numbers, 2 plus 5, we write it like this, where the operator is in between the operand, and this particular expression is called as infix notation. Okay, now consider the infix expression 2 plus 5. What would happen if you removed the operator before two operands? The resulting expression would be plus 2, 5. Likewise, we could move the operator to the end. We would get 2, 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 into 3 would be written as plus 2 into 5, 3 in prefix. The multiplication operators come immediately before the operand 5 and 3, denoting that multiplication has precedence over plus. That means multiplication is having higher priority as compared to plus. So we will perform first multiplication and then we will perform addition. The addition operator then appears before the 2 and the result of multiplication. That means multiplication will be done first and the answer of that multiplication will be added to 2. In postfix, the expression would be 2, 5, 3 into plus. Again, the order of operations is preserved since multiplication appears immediately after 5 and 3, denoting that multiplication is having higher precedence over plus. So infix to postfix conversion algorithm. Before seeing the infix to prefix conversion algorithm, infix to postfix conversion algorithm, we would see operator precedence. Operators are exponential, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction. Their symbols are, in some of the book, the exponential symbol is written as dollar or cap. Both the symbols are valid symbols for exponential. Exponential means x to the power y, can be written as x dollar y, or it can be written as x cap y. So this type of symbol is called as exponential symbol. As far as precedence is concerned, exponential symbol is having highest precedence. That means whenever you see in an expression there is a precedence, then you have to evaluate first exponential term, and after that the next precedence goes to multiplication and division, followed by addition and subtraction. So this is about the precedence, and next we will move towards infix to postfix conversion algorithm. In this conversion algorithm, what we will do, we will scan or read the infix expression. 1 minute. Yes. Step number 1, scan or read infix expression from left to right. Repeat step 2 to 5 for each symbol scanned. Means what? We have to read the given infix expression from left to right, and then we have to repeat the steps 2 to 5 for each symbol. The symbol can be anything. It can be operand A or it can be operator plus, right? These are the symbol. Suppose you have given this infix expression, then you will read this expression from left to right. That means you will first read A, then you will read plus, then you will read B. Okay. If symbol scanned is an operand, then add it to postfix expression. And if symbol scanned is left parenthesis means left round bracket or opening round bracket. If the symbol scanned is left parenthesis, then push it onto the stack. Then you have to push it into the stack. If symbol scanned is an operator, then there are two possibilities. First is you have to push the new scanned operator to the stack directly, but you cannot push the new scanned operator directly to the stack. Before that, you have to think first. What you have to think? You have to think about the precedence. You have to think about the precedence of the operator. That means you have to pop all the operator from the stack which are having higher or same precedence than the operator just found, right? Just found operator is plus, and inside your stack there is a star. So just found operator plus is having less precedence. That means already present operator multiplication in the stack is having higher precedence as compared to plus, right? So in that case, what you have to do? You have to pop this star, right? Otherwise, if the reverse case is there, right, already in the stack there is plus and new operator is multiplication, then operator present in the stack is having lower precedence than the operator just found. In that case, what you have to do? You have to just push the new scanned operator to the stack. I hope this concept is clear. Only this concept is important in this algorithm. Rest of the thing are very easy, right? What you have to remember, if the operator inside the stack is already greater than or equal to, then you have to remove the operator and put it in the postfix string, and the new operator will be sit in the stack. And if the new operator is having lower precedence than the operator in the stack, then you have to follow this. And if the new operator is having higher precedence than operator available in the stack, then you have to just push the operator, because higher precedence operator can sit over lower precedence operator. You have to remember like this way: higher precedence operator can sit on the top of lower precedence operator, otherwise you have to remove it. Last step is, if the symbol scanned is the right parenthesis. What is right parenthesis? That is closing round bracket, right? Closing round bracket. This is your right parenthesis, right? So if the symbol scanned is right parenthesis, then pop operators from the stack, because in stack you are going to store only operators. Operands are already transferred to the postfix string. So whatever operators are there in the stack, you have to pop it and add the popped operator to the expression, and repeat this step until the left parenthesis is found. If left parenthesis is found, then you have to stop this procedure, okay, and delete the left parenthesis from the stack. You have to do not add this left parenthesis to the postfix, just remove it or just delete it, right? And sixth step is very easy, that is stop. Now we will see an example of this algorithm so that you will understand what we are going to do with the help of this algorithm, right? There is an example: convert the infix expression a into b plus c into d plus e. This is a very complicated example, and the postfix expression of this is already given, that is a b c d into plus into e plus, right? So how this can be converted? Using stack, that you have to see. So your first step says that you have to just scan all the symbols. So there is first a is an operand, just directly put it into postfix expression, okay. And after that, multiplication is there, right? Multiplication will be in operator stack. Opening curly bracket is there, it will be in the stack. Or opening parenthesis is there, it will be in stack. B is there, B will be in postfix. plus is an operator, it will be in the stack. C is an operand, it will be in postfix. Multiplication is an operator. Just now we have discussed that higher operator can sit above lower operator. Now multiplication is higher operator, plus is lower operator, so put this multiplication in stack. D will be transferred to postfix string. That's why here it is A B C D, right? I will underline it. That's why here it is A B C D, because this D is transferred from here, right? Now this is the important thing. Closing parenthesis is there. If closing parenthesis is there, then what you have to do? You have to remove all the operators until you find the left parenthesis, right? Then you have to move each operator in the postfix. First you will move multiplication, and then you will move plus, right? So after moving this, what remains? Opening round bracket or parenthesis, left parenthesis remains, and you have to just remove it from the stack. And then after removing of this opening curly bracket, opening round bracket, what remains? Only star remains in the stack. Star means multiplication operator, right? Now plus is there. Now you have to check, right? Plus is a small operator. Small operator cannot sit over larger operator, so star plus is not possible. So what you have to do? You have to remove this star to the postfix. That's why I have removed this star to the postfix here, and then I have just kept plus operator here, right? So this step is important. You have to remember this thing. Then after plus there is E, and E is what? E is a operand. It will directly go to the postfix expression, and all the symbols are scanned. Nothing is remaining there. Whatever operators I have to transfer to the postfix, and here your algorithm ends. So in this way I got postfix expression A B C D star plus star E plus. We have to just check with the question. In the question what is there? Right, A B C D star plus star E plus, right? So in this way we have seen today the algorithm to convert infix expression to postfix expression. Now you have to practice this algorithm, and in next video lecture we will see a program on this infix to postfix conversion algorithm. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.